Hey futures exam crackers, exam crackers, because you are the one who is going to crack the CUET entrance examination of 2024 for undergraduate students in the subject of physics. Why I'm saying this with this much confidence is because Sourav Sir Classes has come with its powerhouse crash course for you all. Students, if you do not crack the examination, then you get a refund from our end. So the confidence level is this much. Now you need to give your 100% and enroll yourself with us in this crash course journey. Over here, students, you will be getting a comprehensive curriculum prepared by our dedicatedly hardworking teachers and faculty members for this kind of crucial examination. So we understand your situation, we understand the pressure, the amount of money and energy you have exerted through this examination. This is the final time, very limited time. Give it yourself, give it 100% and crack the examination with Sourav Sir's classes. Contact us at the given number below or connect with us through our website. Thank you.